Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news.
Parliament's Ethics Committee has cleared former Health Minister Dr. Zweli Mkize of contravening the EMP's Code of Ethics in relation to the Digital Vibes scandal. The Joint Committee on Ethics and Members' Interests finalized Mkize's case on Monday and concluded he could not be held liable for his adult son allegedly benefiting from the Digital Vibes contract. It also found he did not breach the code over maintenance work done at his home amounting to R6,720. The committee said it considered a complaint laid by DAR MP Zweli Mkize in two parts. That his son is alleged to have received benefits from Digital Vibes to the tune of R300,000 and R160,000 and that Mkize himself received benefits from the same company totaling R6,720 for electrical work done at his Cranbrook property in Bryanston. Meanwhile, the Democratic Alliance is not happy at all about this decision. They were disappointed that former Health Minister Zweli Mkize has been cleared by Parliament's Ethics Committee for allegedly receiving benefits from Digital Vibes. How do you feel about this whole saga? Do you still think that Zweli Mkize chewed the money with his son? Please subscribe for more news.